Everybody normally always sees us out at the pit, you know, doing our shooting and stuff, but actually this is where we do most of our shooting. It's our little spot behind our house. We do our morning target practice just about every morning now, huh?
And I'm putting these in because sometimes I don't like to hear Jeffrey's voice.
Oh, I thought it was for the... Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, whatever. Heather's playing the whole, oh, I'm hurting, because she just got finished running her 2 miles, you know, so she's a little out of breath. So if she misses, she's probably going to use that as an excuse, to be honest with you. You're not going to use that for an excuse, are you?
Heck no.
I don't think so.
I'm going to shoot it first.
Somebody took the top off of our damn thing. Why would the kids tear that up? It's still on, matter of fact.
I don't know.
Or do you think they did it?
Why do our kids do all the stuff they do?
You ain't
I can't
found
breathe. You don't run 2 miles and then come shooting.
Sure you do. That's the way you train. You know, when the zombie apocalypse happens, hadn't you seen the movie about zombie land? You got to be in good shape. You do your cardio.
You know what I do? I trip the other person.
But you got to do the two together, see?
I'm just going to trip you.
You're just going to trip me. That'll probably work. You probably won't even have to trip me because I'm in bad shape. Though. Anyway. See, that's what you do. See that right there? That's how you do it right there. See that? That is the way. I think he actually hit that one, didn't he?
Yeah.
I hate the BB gun sights on that damn rifle.
There you go.
Yeah, there, you found the hole. Normally takes her a few shots, you know, right off the bat to get the hole back. Hit that one or miss it. Hit that one or miss it.
Hit it.
You lying?
Probably. Hit it. Yes.
I like that little spinning target though. It makes it to where it's not as monotonous. Same shot because the target's moving. And sometimes, especially when it's spinning like that, it makes it a little smaller or narrower as it comes around back into place. So it makes it me and Heather like to, once she finally finds the spot and starts hitting something, we see how fast we can get it spinning together. Of course, she don't load that rifle. Knowing it's better whenever she's shooting the pistol, I'm shooting the rifle, we can really get it spinning. You hear that now? That was a half dud. Did you hear that one? It went through. Well, yeah, we do this about, what, 15 or 20 minutes every morning or so?
Yeah, something like that. I got it going!
I'm trying to learn.
Come on.
Keep it going until I get loaded.
I found it!
Keep it going until I get loaded. But I don't know, it's about a, what, 10 yards?
Woo! Nailed it!
10 yards. We gotta spin it now. Got it. Keep it going until I get loaded. Okay, here we go. Ready? Just stop it and go the other way. Alright, good. You got it started. Go ahead. Get it going while I'm reloading.
Keep doing this. I hate this thing where you got to load it with each shot.
But it makes it more fun that way. It's a cheap gun, dude. I mean, we have more expensive 22s. There's a couple other bigger Remington rifles in the house, but they have scopes on them. Oh, okay. We're moving up in caliber?
Yep.
You're moving up. I'll get my 45 here in a minute. Go ahead. All right, we're going around. Shoot to the left hand. We're going the other way. 356. That ought to spin them pretty good if you can hit it. Remember, at this distance,
I know.
You have to shoot a little low.
I know.
You know?
God,
Let me stand back over
fireball?
here. I seen that. That's why I said, let me stand back over here. I was going to load up, but you go right ahead.
Look at the fireball coming out of it.
That's because it's darker, baby. They
Oh,
always.
Lord, I'm scared.
You didn't know the 357 did that? Oh, you got it that time. Oh my God, the concussion is coming off that. Here, let's try this. God, they're moving.
I know, I was hitting it moving.
I ain't the greatest with this 45, so I'm gonna let it slow down just a little bit before I take a shot with it.
I nailed that beat. Can you move out of the way? Throw a shell down my
I hit one.
I don't have no more bullets.
I know, I only brought you 6. You want this one?
You beat-
Well, dude, we got to pick up some more 357s. We're out.
I've used them all?
I mean, I didn't buy you but 100 rounds. I mean.
Let me try that one and see.
All right.
I ain't shot at the target with that one yet. Are they yelling at you?
Huh?
Hey, that one's not in there right.
Other one. We got it on safety now. Put the other thing back up. There you go. Might be on safety now. That's a long trigger. Squeeze slowly until it goes off. It's on safety. I'm sorry, I told you backwards. I thought it was that. I think he hit something that time. It's moving. All over the place, actually, I believe. Pick these damn casings up and put them in the bucket.
Why
That gun we don't shoot a lot, so neither one of us is real great with it. I'm supposed to get another shot.
Oh God, my eyes watering this morning. How you like these cooler temps, boo boo?
How you like me now? Dude, was chunking casings in this thing. Or was I doing that? Did I throw them in there? I might have threw them in.
Hey, wait. That one's messed up.
Yeah, we definitely. I got to start shooting that thing a little more. I'm not so used to that. I'm a whole lot more used to the sights on that little 22. We shoot it every morning though.
What? Huh?
I know, huh? I'm gonna stop it.
Well, that was a good morning practice.
You ain't done it. Man,
Yes,
you
I
ain't
am.
shut enough with that. You act like you're hurting or something. I cannot make it in the bucket. This thing is so inconsistent on chunking out the shells.
I'll be your cheerleader. Give me a G. Give me a U. Give me an M. What's that spell? Hello?
Hey, you talking to me? I couldn't hear you. Something wrong with his rifle this morning. I normally can hit every shot. I ain't hardly hit nothing. I'm going to adjust the sights, I think, too. I just realized that it
You
ain't.
did.
Huh?
You messed
Oh,
with
yeah,
the
I
sight.
did. Yeah. I forgot I moved them. Oh, I got it figured out. You don't hold low on it now. You actually hold towards the top of the target. Forgot how I adjusted that. Yeah, I got it figured out. I got it figured out now. Maybe you should do your practice shoot before you run. You're blowing smoke. Is it that cold out here?
No, I'm just.
You're just that hot?
So when are you gonna run 2 miles with me, huh? Huh?
That's what the four-wheeler's for. I go along with you on your runs with the four-wheeler. Uh-oh, you finally started hitting some shots. Uh-oh. You're hitting it. Cool. See, I'm serious. That little that spinning target is pretty fun.
I like the fact you ain't gotta walk, look where you hit.
Well, I don't do it. I mean, yeah, I see what you're saying. If you hit or not, yeah.
Yeah, where you
Those
hit.
are only like 6-inch plates, 6-inch square plates, you know. It's, I don't know, 10 yards or so. But, yeah, might be a little bit more than 10 yards. But I like it because it's moving. It's a moving target. It's not just sitting there the whole time. You got to wait for your shot to come in. Stop it. It's not just a stagnant, just sitting there. Once you get it going.
Going that way now?
Yeah, I've stopped it.
Dang it.
Come on, girl, I'm doing all the work, getting it spinning.
I did.
Oh, you did? How many? You hit 106 or what? I'm playing. I just don't give me them eyes. If y'all could see the eyeballs. Okay, she's holding a gun too. Stop it and go back the other way.
You are not yell at your woman.
Oh no, don't put that up and put the shoot it one more time.
Get over here and pick up all these cases.
Dude, you dumped all them out there. Oh, by the way, this is a fine little, what is this? It's a Daisy 22. These guns are like $99. This is an old gun. And you're like, why would you want to? It's still good target practice. I mean, it's a little small, but I mean, still. And it's fun. Cheap fun. Right, Heather? Ooh, I like this screwed up there. I said something about cheap fun. I was supposed to make a joke at you, but I decided I better not do that. I can't see you off the camera over there. She's giving me this bad glare. I wasn't talking about, I ain't said nothing about you. You just assuming I was going to say something about you.
You said you were. Woo!
No,
Good
I
thing
said
you.
good thing I was going to make a
Look,
joke right
happy
there.
shooting.
You just assuming. I ain't said nothing.
Hold on, don't shoot yet.
All right, it's time for the from the hip practice. You ready?
Hold on.
I'm gonna fan it. You can do that when I finish.
Huh.
Here, look, come get these over here.
That's not my side.
Now I see one of the old Westerners, gunfighters, wore a glove. You wouldn't want to do that very many times with a bare hand. I hit 5 or 6 shots right there.
No, you didn't.
Bull crap.
Nope.
Why do you think it's spinning so fast?
I did that.
No, okay.
See?
I mean, the first 2-3 shots is pretty. Two or three shots is pretty easy because it's it's just now starting to move. You start getting that 5th and 6th shot like that, it makes it way tougher.
Hey, Tater.
What's that?
Good day.
Dude, I don't know. It's kind of cloudy.
No, it's always a good day when you're out shooting something.
Oh, this is my last go. What I hit?
2.
4? Is that 4?
2.
Oh shit, it wasn't 2. It wasn't 2.
That was fun. Fun, fun, fun. Now what are we doing? Tot? You're Tot. I'm Tater, you're Tot. Honey. You need to clean your mess up. Tight jeans, huh?
Wait a minute, I lost a gun in these jeans.
Do you want me to find it?
Hold on, look, it's falling down in my pants.
Man, you got a big.
Good. That's the 357.
There's a lot of power in them jeans.
You know, I just thought about it. You was the one handling this gun. You sure it don't have a bullet in it? I'm pissed to blow my
I always clear my
leg
guns.
off.
Thank you very much. I always clear my gun.
You always clear your gun?
Yeah.
Is that code?
I always unload my gun.
Is that code? All right.
Pick up your.
You finish this cleaning up. I'll see you in a little bit.